TikTok is not allowing me to go live because I don't have 1000 followers. This happened to me like a couple years ago when I first started doing TikTok, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix this problem, and I am also going to show you guys two methods on how to fix this problem. The first one is to contact TikTok and tell them that I can't use live section. I used to go live, just type there, I used to go live but I can't anymore, okay? But the second way, guys, is to get 1000 TikTok followers and then go live. Like, you don't have to do anything, you can just get 1000 followers. So if you want to get 1000 followers, but first let me show you guys how to contact them, okay? So if you want to contact him, just three little lines in the top right corner, and then click settings and privacy, and then you scroll down and then click here report a problem, okay? Just report a problem, and here you click this paper in the top right corner, and then click it again, click this paper with the pen, okay? Just click it, and then here type here, hi, I can't go live anymore, please fix this. So, and then click done, and then click report, and they will get back to you within 24 hours. But if you don't want to wait 24 hours and you want to get 1000 followers to go live right now, all you have to do, guys, is just search for this name. I am going to add the name in the screen right now. It's called Mohammed Maftul, okay? And you have to open this profile. This is the profile that you have to open, and then go to his following, the 11 following that he follows, as you can see here, guys. And you have to follow all these people like this, okay? Follow all the people that he followed, and wait 9 seconds, exactly 9 seconds, and unfollow all these people again, okay? You just have to wait 9 seconds. When you follow all these people, wait 9 seconds and unfollow them all, and then wait 9 seconds and follow them all, and do it as much as you can until you get 1000 TikTok followers, and then go live. That's what I want. If this video helped you, please drop a like. If it worked, let me know in the comments. If you want to get millions of views and also 10,000 TikTok followers and a lot of followers, click in the video in the screen right now, and you will get a lot of followers and views. See you guys in the next video.